It's your boy, Yeti BMX. I'm with my boy, Virginia, because I gotta finish out AIT for the Army. We're gonna go play at River City tonight. I'll fucking hopefully have some edits from there. I'll try to get some clips on my phone, because I don't have a GoPro. And then tomorrow, we're going to Ballot Hack, and then back to River City if they're open tomorrow night. So, we got shenanigans. We went Facebook Marketplace and found shit for fucking cheap. Like, we found 2 masks for $40. We got 3 guns for $125, and then we went to Bass Pro and bought some more guns, because why the fuck not? Fucking evolve. So, if you guys see a video that's posted and the camera quality and video quality is shit, I'm sorry. This is the intro to it. There's clips throughout the day, or through the next 2 days, pieced together, and hopefully you enjoy. Make sure you like and subscribe. Shit, anything you want to say to the tube?
Let's keep it real.
Fucking, you heard it. Keep it real. Got shenanigans.
Shenanigans.
That's really what it is. Like, you might see clips of me playing with a fucking clear single shot fucking shotgun. Who knows? Choice. Brand new Kappa. Got the boys out here. Sad news is, this is their River City last month. So get out, give them some love. Give them some love on social media. Help them fight the city. Check out this beautiful Kappa. What all have you done to it?
Huh?
What all have you done to it? Just the barrel?
Yeah, just that.
I got some upgrades that I'll just tell you.
I'm gonna get a lower right here. Oh shit, what you got?
That bone stock when I just bought it.
Nice.
And you got the dime ass. Love it, love it. Nah, we literally went Facebook Market. I hope it's not the hand.
It's alright. Yeah.
Wait, do that again. Alright guys, a little update in the video. It's your boy Yeti BMX. This is day 2. We're headed to Ballot Hack. We're going Milsim today. It's a little weird for me. I haven't played Milsim since 6 years ago. Which I wish I would have fucking started the channel earlier, but it's all good. Last night, River City was fucking amazing.
Back at it again tonight.
We're gonna be back at it again tonight. I'm gonna try to get more video tonight of me playing and get some more footage of on the field. We picked up another gun. We got today's weapon of choice is a G&G Arms. He got his fucking M4 yesterday.
Yep.
It's beautiful.
He's jealous.
I am very jealous because that thing is fucking hard as fuck to find because it's rare.
For a steal.
But we are chilling.
We are cruising. Be there in about hour 35.
Hour 35. I'll get some clip. Well, there'll be videos of us on the drive.
Yep.
I am sorry for one of the clips from last night. I had my phone pointed in a weird ass fucking direction. But go show some River City some love on social Facebook, Instagram. I will do a special tag for them in the description. It is their last month of being open because the city is shutting their field down. And if we show them a lot of love, in everything, there's not a possibility of them keeping the building, but it'll probably help them get the field back up and running a lot quicker at their new location that they're thinking about doing, which will be closer to where the owners live, but at the same time, they're thinking of doing an outdoor field. And I really hope they do something cool because they're the first field that I ever played at here in Virginia, and I fucking love it. It was his first time ever playing airsoft last night. He got lit up in the fucking pinkies. He got shot up more than me.
It still popped off.
But he still popped off.
42.
But stay tuned. I'll definitely fucking get some more like vlog style videos going if people like it of wherever we go, so that y'all have a vlog in the channel if that's what we want to do with it instead of kind of our normal setup. But here we go. Good luck, Ballahawk. Let's see how we do. Alrighty, update. We're here. Fucking stoked. We're gonna go in, pay entry, get set up. Next update will be when we're geared up, ready to go, and getting ready to get on the field. Holy, this place is jumping. All right, I'm in love here. I'm in love. Yeah, park next to that. Okay, right here. Holy shit. This place is cool as fuck. Here we go. What do you think? Here we go.
Pushing up 30. They don't have objectives. All right. Ready to push the tower?
I'm gonna push 22.
22, go for it. Let me know when I'm covered. All right, coming to you. Ready? Moving to you. Coming through the door. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Crate right in front of us. Yep. Yeah, I'm blue. Nice LMG, bro.
Hey, we just got done playing our first round. This field is badass. We played a city game, his team deathmatch in the city. Pretty fun. But I'll try to get some more clips. I didn't get clips on that one, first game of the day. I was playing like shit.
Ready?
Yeah.
The far right. Yep, this is blue. Hey, push up to L. Push up to L.
Where's L? Hey, we got them 11 o'clock.
I'm gonna push with them guys.
There you go.
He's hit. He's hit. He's hit.
Over there?
All right, ready? You see zero?
Hey, you see him? You see him?
Shit, they moved.
They're medicing. Hey, what if we go behind zero and point and
Ready?
cross?
Ready to move?
38.
3, 2.
Go.
They're on third floor. Hey, that's this one right there.
Look. You see him?
Yeah. Hold up.
Hey, at least you're cool.
Oh, is that game?
No, I don't think have your fucking. Have your.
Oh no, I'm good. I was pushing. I said 4.
No.
There's a bunch of them. When you're coming through spawn, it's the right contact. If they're behind it, they won't call it anymore.
Alright, just a little update. We're rocking the spawn right now. Rocking the new another gun. The boys are back there. We got shenanigans. This is the last game at Ballahack. Absolutely love this field. It is everything that I ever dreamed of. Definitely gonna be coming for a Rev Series though. One of these days. I would definitely hit a Rev Series. Wish I could have met Swamp. He's not here. He was here this morning. We missed out on him. But we got it. Alright. Update. Rev was amazing. 10 out of 10 recommend. What do you think?
I would definitely go again. Your boy Jekyll had fun. With that being said, you know, there's a lot of availability there. The rules are very clear, and with everything else going on, I mean, between the player count, the gun count, all that, and all the shit you can run, and the refs actually being lenient about it.
The refs are cool as shit.
They are. It was dope.
Nice. I was talking to them.
You can have, you know, you got an LMG that's auto locked, and they say it's semi-only round. You show them the LMG, they're like, "You're good." It's dope. We had people there with miniguns, LMGs, snipers. It's big enough.
Rocket launcher.
Exactly.
Fucking rocket voucher.
There was a little boy with a big old minigun with like 500 rounds, and he lit somebody up, and he was screaming, "Stop! I'm dead!"
Exactly. There's a lot of good ways to work on your hand-eye, strategize if that's what you want to do.
I definitely recommend if you take people with you and you have people there,
Stay on the same team.
stay on the same team.
Stay together.
Get fucking walkie-talkies because it's a big-ass field, and
I fucking lost mine in the swamp.
this dumbass lost his in the swamp on the last round. I'm sorry, all the clips that we got today, like, of gameplay are of his POV.
And they're kind of shitty.
They're shitty,
I'm gonna be honest.
which I'm sorry for.
But it's all we had.
I didn't get any. I just have updates.
We'll probably end up getting more tonight.
There will definitely be more tonight. There will be birthday gauntlets that will be fucking
Added in this video.
There will definitely be a lot of videos.
On top of it, we'll get more POV tonight.
We'll have more POV tonight at River City because it'll be a lot easier, and we're going back there because we had so much fun last night.
Exactly.
And it's their last month. I want to give them all the support that I can and all the fucking love that I can give them in the short amount of time that I have, because they're cool as fuck. 1, 2, I really want to see them open up another field, but
It's now time to go.
it's now time to
Go.
get on the road, go pick up our other buddy from the airport,
Get some
and
food and then hit
get
up
food and go to River City. Charge up the batteries some more. Fucking,
Got a car charger now. Double check.
we
all
got a
the-
car charger for his battery. I can bring the fucking portable charger, and we can get another battery for my gun, so it's a LiPo instead of the fucking shitty ass one that I have.
If you do go to Ballahack, I will let you know. Bring a change of socks.
Change of socks,
And
change of
waterproof
shoes.
if you can do it. Waterproof boots. Because I'm gonna let you know now, it's not big on speed soft. It's more of a Milsim field and range. You gotta be fast at some points, but
There's a reason why the Swamp Sniper, which I'm linking him down below as a thank you for his field. There's a reason why his name is Swamp Sniper. His field is in a swamp. There's some spots where you see and walk in the swamp, if you see leaves and then black abyss, stay away from that black abyss. It will drop 10 feet deep right there.
yes, it will. But just bring a change of socks. Bring waterproof shoes or boots if you can, because it gets muddy. And bring something you don't care that if it gets dropped in mud, it's dropped in mud. Clean it off, get back up, keep on going. If you want to bring a badass build, bring it. By all means, stay out of the swamp the best you can. Overall, great field, had a blast. Definitely will be going back when I get back here.
Definitely making the special road trip with my builds so that I can run even some shit that I'm used to and be able to lay BBs down range pretty well. But I'm gonna sign off. I'll get you'll see edits of our drive, and
About an hour and 30 minutes.
we got an hour and 30 to the airport to pick up our other buddy. We're gonna get food and hopefully have some fucking shenanigans tonight.
Hopefully, possibly tomorrow.
But this is your boy signing off for a little bit. I gotta get.
That's what everyone says.
Yeah, show off the cap, show it off, show it off. Hell yeah. What do you guys say to the YouTube?
The crane call.
Say something cool.
What's up, brother?
We gonna kill the Americans?
What's that, brother?
We gonna get the
We're gonna
Americans?
get El Presidente, man. Let's keep his ass safe. Death to America. No, the imperialist dogs violate him.
Well, y'all, it's sad to say it. It's the end of the video.
Possibly.
Possibly, you might see some secret clips. Might see some shenanigans from nighttime. Nighttime shenanigans. But we had a hell of a fucking time.
Had fun while doing it, and I would definitely be doing that now.
Definitely check out River City on Instagram. I'm tagging them and everything. It's their last month. I know I said it earlier in the video. It is their last month. It's sad.
It is sad to see it go.
Because the refs there are super cool. The employees are super cool. Funny as fuck. I can't thank you enough for an amazing field, an amazing time, and the fun that we had today. But as of that,
I think that's a wrap for right now.
I mean, only other things I can say is the Virginia airsoft scene. Everyone knows I'm from Colorado. Virginia guys, y'all are fucking crazy. Y'all are cool as shit, crazy as shit, and I'm happy I got to do my 21st birthday run here at River City in Richmond, Virginia with you guys, because I had a fun ass fucking time, and I want to continue playing airsoft in Virginia. I want to hang out in Virginia and get to know these guys and get to know the scene out here even more, because of the fact it's bigger than Colorado's. The community is bigger and chill as fuck. Colorado, we're chill as fuck too. And I would love for Colorado to experience what I experienced these last couple of days. Like, I don't think I could have wished for a better experience in airsoft than what I have had the last couple of days with everyone. For all the guys that are in Virginia that subscribed to the channel this weekend, and welcome to the channel. Feel free to watch. There will be Speedsoft videos coming soon. Probably February, March is when I'll start uploading again, because I get back to Colorado and we'll be back to our normal schedule. I'll start working on pumping videos out either every week or every other week. We're getting ready to go to a tournament in March in Ohio, which that'll be a video, that'll be an adventure. There'll probably be a live stream for that one, so definitely keep an eye out for that. But honestly, I think that's a wrap for now.
Yep.
See you guys next time in the next adventure. That wasn't the end of the video. We're back at River City this afternoon. We're gonna get some special clips for you. Right now we're playing president. We got the HPA setups here today. Thank God I'm not running my gauntlet today. Thank God I'm not running the gauntlet today. Yeah.
Okay, trying to get the best.
Okay, boys.
No stock.
You're scared of
All right. So what do we got here?
Piece of shit, that's what we got. This
Yeah.
thing's about on his last leg.
Motor's burning up. You're running Bertha with it,
On
right?
my left, blue on my right.
So you got Bertha. We got no stock, SBR. Cameraman just running 1911. So yeah.
Pocket tomahawk.
Pocket set.
Field on the field.
Let's get it.
Here, if you want to go vertical on it.
What?
Just a little.
All right, you ready? It's okay.
Cameraman, not that.
He's running anti-cheat. He's running anti-cheating rounds. So we got the light on.
That. Propane?
Yeah. So far, the fuel. I just saw Jesus.
No, you didn't.
Oh, fuck.
No, you didn't.
I cast mini boomstick. Look at this fuck nut. He cast medium boomstick. This one only getting lowered.
Feels weird not having stock.
Oh, I get it. Are my pockets buttoned? I don't need any of my shit falling out. They're gonna burn that motor out. Is that the point?
Yeah. Ah! Alright, I gotta ask.
Here goes the game. Keep in mind, I'm pushing slow.
I'm not having spawn. I gotta warm it up.
All right, this is game. No one, no one, no one, no one. Hostage, I've been captured by Blue. Rule is, anyone else walks in here, I get to use mini boomstick. And I got a riot shield. We'll see how this goes.
Let them come in. Let them come in. I just want to run into long enough. Yeah, I'm going to challenge you.
I was about to do it too.
far. No availability to shoot someone.